Hello guys! Today it's a beautiful weather. I will show you how to properly work with the Bobcat angle broom with the Bobcat loader. For me that's the best attachment for the snow removal. Everybody knows the angle blade or the snow blower, but this one is for me really the best. It can clean up to 20 centimeters of the snow by the one pass and you have beautiful clean surfaces. I will show you how to properly control it, maintain it and be efficient. And on the end I give you my tip. To operate the angle broom, we start the machine. Press to operate. I activate the hydraulic, and then to start the rotation you use the trigger which is in the front of the right joystick. By one press you start the rotation. Then I can increase the RPM to the maximum for the good RPM. And by left finger I can orientate it left or right. So slightly down, 1 centimeter I can go. I keep the good speed, it's not too much snow, so I can really push it. You can also use the smart management system for this. If you need a less RPM to don't fly so far, you just put a little bit gas less and it's better. But you need to slow down the machine as well. When it's fine, you can increase the RPM. This is the new angle broom and it's unique because you can, by pressing by the right finger, you can change the orientation to very easy clean the corners. So it's multi-direction angle broom. When the corner is done, lift it, start the normal rotation and continue. My first tip is to always use these legs when you're parking the attachment or parking the machine. It avoids the bending the bristles and you will work much efficiency. Otherwise it will always jump when you're sweeping. It's pretty easy to do it, just one pin and lower them. My second tip is don't force the broom too much on the ground. It will slow down the RPM and you will wear the broom much faster. Just slightly touch and it will work much better.